finished product. So this is it. It's boba. And here you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoy. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to show you my own version of milk tea. And our ingredients is we also need this kind of tea. So I'm going to use 3 of tea bags. And of course, guys, we also need some milk. And instead of using sugar, so I decided to use this kind of sugar I bought in Asian store. And guys, the water is already boiling, and I used 3 cups of water. Alright guys, let's wait for the water and I'll be right back. The water is boiling hot, so let's start putting na yung tea natin here. Actually guys, this is black tea. So if you guys want to make your own boba tea, you should use black tea because it's better for the milk. Alright guys, so let's wait for like 3 minutes. And guys, this one, I'm going to dissolve them and I'll be right back on it. Here I'm going to dissolve this sugar. Alright guys, I will update you. Guys, I have the tea here. It's already ready, and I have the milk, so let's put them together. So I'm using my Starbucks cup because I don't have a shaker, so I'm going to use this as my shaker. So let's add na guys. Here, I'm going to put the milk. Our milk tea. So guys, let me just put all together and I'll be right back. So guys, our ingredients are ready, so I'm going to put this sugar syrup sa glass natin like this. Wait. And ouch. Let me spread the sugar syrup inside the glass. So guys, let me just do this and I'll be right back. Our sugar syrup, it's already inside, so now let's put the boba. So guys, boba is good, so I'm going to put as much as I can. Probably all of it. There you go. So this is the moment of truth. So let's put now our tea boba tea cup. There you go. Oh my gosh. So let's mix them guys first. It's a lot of sweetness. Alright guys, so our milk tea, it's already finished. Guys, so this is our milk tea. There you go. So simple and easy guys. So I hope you guys enjoy. So let me show you closer. Sorry, finished product. So this is it. It's boba. And here you go guys. I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.